Hi guys, so what you're seeing is I have, if you saw my introduction video on how to create your own little clock at home using a paper plate and some other materials that you probably have lying around. What I did was I marked the hours, not the minutes, but I marked the hours. I circled them based on the colors of the rainbow. So we've got the 12th hour. When it's in the 12th hour, it's going to be red. And then when it goes further, it'll be orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and then purple. The reason why we're color coding our hours is because whenever we have our hours, our hour hand, the hour hand, whenever it's in between the 12 and all the way up until right before that 1, it's still considered the 12th hour. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm color coding because some people get a little bit confused. Sometimes they think if we're really close to 1 that it's 1 o'clock. It's in the first hour of the 24-hour period, but it's not, or the 12-hour period. It's still considered until it reaches 1 o'clock, until this minute hand is all the way up at that 12. It's still considered, if it was like right here, it's still considered in the 12th hour. It's not until the minute hand is directly at 00 up at the top, and this is directly facing 1 that we're in the next hour, which is 1. So I'm going to go through and start just color coding. Plus this is just a fun, relaxing activity to do. So how cool is that we were able to use the rainbow to help us with time? Who would have thought that would work out the way it did? To be honest, I didn't think that was gonna work, but it did. Okay, so now you can see so we're only talking about the hour hand right now, but this is only possible, you can only switch over to the next time, the next hour, when the minute hand has reached the top of the hour, which is starting back over at 0 minutes in the hour. So when the hour is at 12, it'll stay in the 12th hour all the way up until it hits 1 o'clock, and then it's in the 1 o'clock hour, and then it hits 2 o'clock, and then it'll go to 3 o'clock, and 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and then back at 12, okay? And then that's when you change over from AM to PM. Now the minutes, they just kind of float right behind, or right in front. They actually kind of pass the hour, but they switch around. They skip by 5s all the way until they reach 59. They never go to 60 minutes, because as soon as you hit 60 minutes, it's right before you get to the 00, right before you get to 12 again. That is when it changes to the next hour. So we're talking, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, half of an hour, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and then as soon as you hit 60, you change over. That's when your hour hand changes to the next hour. Okay, so this is a great clock. This is a great analog clock that you can use. It's like your own little Judy clock that you can make at home to help you. And I'm going to be using this for our lesson coming up in just a bit.